Hello, it's Blush Bunny. Today we'll be doing a short tutorial on how to set up VRoid and VSeeFace. So let's get to it. First, you're gonna go to Steam and you're gonna search VRoid and install it. And then once you have it installed, press Use Now. So when you first enter, there'll be these sample models, and you can click on one of them, or you can press Create New. Okay, so first, we got the different face sets. So these are different, like, presets you can use instead of going through individually. You can, let me grab my mouse really quick so that way I can use my mouse. Oh wait, it's right here. Okay, never mind, I'm good. Okay, so different face presets, or you can go through individually and just customize it however you want, you know. Oh, we'll see. I don't even know what I'm doing, I guess. Where's the eyeball? Irises, there it is. Change the eye color. See, that's pretty. That looks cool. Kind of looks like dragon eyes in my opinion. You got cheeks and everything. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest. Cheeks and mouth and stuff like that, it's hard for me to tell a difference. Like, I can see a slight blush, like that, you know, that has a slight blush. You can change the lips. So, yeah, those are cute. You can change the skin color. I'm not gonna mess with it myself, but the ear size and stuff like that, ear tip. I've never messed with this, but we're gonna mess with it really quick and see. Yeah, make like elf ears and stuff. Change the chin roundness. Chin width. There's a lot of options, honestly. I haven't messed with everything in here. But there's a lot of options to mess with, and if you mess with it, I'm sure you could create a really cool looking character. This is the expression editor. I'd suggest going through here and checking how each of your expressions look before you export later. So that doesn't look too bad. I don't mind that. Go to hairstyle. They have a lot of hair. You can also, I do not mess with this, but you are also able to, if you go here and then press, where is it? I swear, I know what I'm doing, I swear. Okay, so go to edit hairstyle, and you should be able, again, I don't mess with this, so sorry if I'm a little wrong on what I'm doing here, but should be able to, oh whoopsie, I'm creating more. I didn't think it was creating anything. Yeah, so now you can, like, I swear, huh, oh wait, is this it? Oh yeah, see, I'm fucking with it. I'm messing with it. Like I said, I don't mess with this very often, so I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing here. But I'm sure if you checked out some other, like, specific tutorials for the hair and stuff like that and everything, you would figure it out. I was just showing it as an option. you can add little side things. Ooh, that's cute. Oh wait, what? What's on her face? Why is it? What? What? Huh? There we go. Okay. Where'd it go? It was right here. Oh, was it? Yeah, it was right here. Okay. And like change the hair color. So like, what if I wanted to be like? That's good, I guess. Yeah. And then give her a little ahoge. Yeah, that's cute. You can get extra little pieces and stuff in here like that. Then we got the body. They have different body presets too. Like I told you earlier, it's a little hard for me to tell the difference between anything. Oh, I'm gonna show you mouse shortcuts as well. Like okay, so moving around, you right click. You want to right click your mouse. To scroll, obviously use the scroll wheel. To move around like this, you want to hold down the scroll wheel. And then what else? That's all I can think of for now, I think. Just those three things. Yeah. And then you mess with the skin color here and everything. You can mess with the height. So like if I want to make her taller or shorter, you know. You can mess with the chest size. Arm length, so if you want to have unusually long or short arms. Finger size? Oh, that sounds interesting. Give me long fingers. Oh, it makes my hands bigger. Hand size. Oh. Torso length? I got a long torso. Waist length. Or width. This is width. Okay. Thicky. Leg length. Got those legs for days. Leg days. Don't skip. Foot size. Giant feet, bruh. You know, the bigger, you know what they say about the bigger the feet. Okay. Then we got the outfits. So they do have preset whole outfits, or you could go individually and find something as well. But I'm going to show you let's put some clothes back on her. I'm going to show you a website called Booth. And Booth allows you to get free assets. Like, there's paid ones too. But there's a lot of free assets you can get for your avatar, such as clothing, shoes, makeup, different things. But you'll learn that there are two different types of Booth assets. There are VRoid items, and there are PNGs. Just like when I exit out of them. So we're gonna look for clothes. And then we're gonna go to filter. We're gonna go here. Drag it all the way to free. Oh wait, this is VR chat clothing, I think. It says VR chat, so let me like... Yeah, there's also VR chat clothing, so if you're ever building like a 3D model in Blender, you can get stuff in here. This is a pretty outfit for a free outfit, honestly. This is beautiful. Yeah, it comes with the Unity Patty package in FBX. I almost said Patty. The Unity Patty. Where are VRoid items? VRoid. usually never have this much trouble finding something. Usually they're right away. Maybe I need to be more specific. Okay, this artist, I love her stuff. Her stuff is beautiful. So, okay, I'm gonna show you. Okay, so these items came in PNG files. So what you want to do, a lot of times, let's see. Okay, see, they tell you in the description a lot of times which items to use. So the transparent top goes over the long coat high neck mesh. So we're going to have to find that now. I think if I go to custom and then this, long coat high neck, there we go. And then we go to, oh, right here, edit texture. And then you go to import. Oh wait, I'm going to teach you how to export textures too. If you want to take in a texture and export it, press export, save it to where you want to save it, and then I suggest transferring it to some kind of art program. Like a lot of times I use Ibis Paint on my phone. It's free. It's a great drawing app and everything like that, and it's great for editing textures and stuff like that. So you, but anyways, you go to import, and then you want to go, oh shit, what did I do? It says this one needs Unity, so I thought, huh? What the heck's happening in my arms? Wait, this. Huh? Why does it keep... Okay. See, this is what I mean by I'm not an expert. I don't know why it's erasing my body. That's really weird. And I don't know why it's doing that. It's extremely weird. Here, I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna figure that out really quick and then I'll teach you the fix. I am back and I have figured it out. Okay, so what we want to do, if you have this disappearing effect right here, you want to go to skin mask and select the layer and then change the brush to white and then brush it white, and then the black is what makes it disappear again. Apparently this makes it to where you can erase the skin texture without actually erasing the skin texture, which is really nice. So yeah, now we got that. Save as new item. Let's import the other top too, because apparently there was two tops. Skin layer. Okay, so it says to put the top on the skin layer. So I think what we do, edit texture, layer. I think this is what we do. I'm not sure. Yep, okay, like that. Save as new item. Outfit. Bottoms. Skirt over goes pencil skirt mesh. Wait, where's my mouse? There it is. Ooh, that's looking good. I feel like the arms on the sleeves are a little messed up, but it looks good otherwise. Right, is new item. And then for things like VRoid items, I think I have shoes that are VRoid items, so we're gonna import those really quick. So you're gonna go import. go to wherever you saved your stuff at, and then import the item, and then press wear now, and bam, you got some pretty shoes on. And then accessories. So this is how you're going to add things like glasses, cat ears, rabbit ears. Why don't they have dog ears? That's kind of silly. You would think they would have dog ears on here too. You got a cat tail, fox tail, rabbit tail. It got a cap, top hat, witch hat, army cap. It got a decent amount of options on here. So go on here, pick some. What was that? I'm scared. I'm scared. I heard. Okay, so like I'm home alone, and I just heard a pound outside my door. I'm scared. Okay, I'm just gonna ignore that and hope it was nothing. Okay, sorry, I'm a little spooked now. I just gotta calm down. So you can have the ears a different color from your hair, or you can take this tool and eyedrop your hair. So I'm gonna go with the darker color of my hair though. Yeah, like that. And then add another accessory, tail. Personally, I like the fox tail better than the cat tail. So again, take it. And then you can also, okay, so you can change like the fur volume for your ears and stuff like that. See, tip roundness. You can make the ear size bigger or smaller. Change the ear shape. Again, mess with the fur volume a little more. Ear shape too. Lots of things you can mess with. And then foxtail, you can mess with the tail curve. Oh, or not. Why isn't it curving? It is supposed to curve. It is not for some reason. Let me add volume. Maybe. Let's see. Huh. Why are some of these not working? Yeah, like it just looks like they're not working. Wait! What the heck? Again, I'm gonna pause and search what's happening and see if I can get back with you guys. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, so all I did was I ended up saving my model. So, by the way, if you want to save your model, and I suggest saving your model as you work on it, because sometimes the program, like when you export, it can crash. So make sure before you export at least that you save as, and then just save it where you want it to be saved at. Of course, my computer's going to freeze as I'm showing you. Okay, there we go. See, I have it saved as model. And then, so now that I have it back in here, it's working. See? And, so if that happens, just save as, and then restart your VRoid. And there's a lot of different options in here. You can move it to the side, too. Tail tilt. See? This is the look thing. I haven't messed with all of this, but I have messed with the outline. Personally, I like having a really thick outline. I think it looks cool. Maybe not that thick. I have a thick outline on my model. If you can't tell, I don't know if you guys can see it from it being in the corner. Room light, let's see what this does. Oh, it makes it to where it's more highlighted. Shading. Interesting. I've never messed with that before. I don't know how much you should mess with that. I might mess it up on your face tracking. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can take a picture. So scroll in, move it. You can do different poses and animations. You can change the facial expression, the lighting, the wind. You can make it look fancy and do like cool stuff like this. I'm not sure what this one. Okay, bloom. Collecting comics. Ooh, that's cool. Motion blur. Pic size, so you can change the pic size. Don't they have like a portrait? Is this portrait? Yeah, this is portrait. Okay. Then you can, I'm gonna save my thing at. Once you export, go to export, and there's two different export options. Their export is VRM. So like I said, it's gonna pause for a second when you export. It's normal. I've heard other people say it does that for them too. You can export is either VRM 1 or VRM 0. I'm not sure which is the different. Let me see if VSeeFace really matters. What version of VRM 0. Okay, so specifically use VRM 0 for VSeeFace. Title it Creator. Put some contact information if you want. Make it to where it's assigned the thing. Another URL if you want. And then export. Like I said, it's going to take a moment. And save. And then I'm also going to show you how to export it to the Unity hub. So on Unity, or on VRoid, you want to go to upload to VRoid hub. Did I say Unity hub? I said Unity hub, didn't I? The VRoid hub. Excuse me. Sorry. Create new character. Okay. Take a picture. Oopsie. Upload. You can change the stuff too, by the way, if it's like 18 plus or something, you know. I think you have to wait to the website to change that, though. I'm not sure. Not exactly sure. I haven't changed it in this program before. So processing. It'll open up into your browser in one moment. Picks up all the details. I suggest putting the booth items you used, because like for example, I had a model that I lost the file to, so I had to recreate it, and it was nice having all my stuff down on here because I was able to find everything easily again. So just take this, copy link, outfit, there. Oh, I never showed makeup or anything like that. Just let me show you that. I'm not gonna upload it to my character because I already have it on here. But if you want to add makeup like that someone on booth put, I usually go to face paint, create new, edit texture, import, and then go like this, and then bam. Also, you may have when I first uploaded this picture, it was originally like this. It was too low on the face, you couldn't even see it. So what I did is I took it to Ibis Paint and I edited it. Okay, so how I did it here, wait, just like, let me wait for it to unfreeze. Come on, you can do it. Why are you freezing? What did I do? What the fuck? Anytime now. Okay, so what I did is I exported the face and everything like this. Like here, let me show you. Poor guide, I think that's how. Let me see. Where did I save it? Yeah. See, now you have the guide for the face, so that way you can line it back up to the face and everything properly. So I'm gonna close without saving, and I'm gonna go back to exporting to the Unity hub. Sorry, I just wanted to show that really quick. So terms and conditions, status, private, allow all ages, etc. Save privately, and then bam, you got your own model saved on this. And if you ever lose it on your computer or anything, you can just re-download it from here. Now I'm gonna show you how to use VSeeFace. I'm gonna exit out of VSeeFace really quickly so I can open it up and show you everything. Exit out of here. Okay, so now we're going to go to, oh, well, first you gotta download it. I'm gonna show you where to download it from, sorry. VSeeFace, and then go to VSeeFace.icu, Damn, they see me. And there's something else we want to download here too. So you want to download VSeeFace, but you also want to download, I'm not seeing it here, but I saw it here a second ago, just a sec. You want to download Spout 2, and basically what this is, it'll capture your input on VSeeFace so you can transfer it to OBS. So you want to download, okay, make sure you have these downloaded too, and then download the plugin, and then you're going to install it, and it'll work after that. It'll be downloaded into OBS. You'll see it when you go here. You'll see Spout 2 capture, name it whatever you want, and then let me open VSeeFace up. So load either add new avatar or import from VRoid Hub. You can use this and it'll recommend settings to you depending on like the like how much your computer can handle, but this is like the default I usually stay with. If your computer can't handle Wink support, I put it on like high or medium quality instead, because Wink support does take a lot. And then open it up, and it'll take a moment to start following you. And when you do this, open VSeeFace, and it'll say first available sender, or open Spout 2, sorry, and it'll put first available sender, and it'll put it on there, and bam, you have a character. And yeah, it was really fun. I actually I really enjoyed creating the character and everything, and I hope you guys do too. Sorry, that was a weird way to word things. I just meant like I just think for a free like program, this is amazing. You know, like I really like this. It's really cool. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope that you guys enjoyed my tutorial as well. And bye bye.